baby girls. Ooh. Oh, we are way too distracted. We got something fun going on out here. The neighbor's donkeys are in the other neighbor's yard. Uh-oh. Cody. Tallulah, what is that? They look just like you guys. No, none of you have ears like that. Oh my. That one is big. Look at my pretty girls. Oh my. Oh yeah. Put your mouth on that. Oh geez. That guy's big. Oh, look at Cody. Tallulah, honey, what's over there? Oh my goodness, are you scared? It's okay, baby. It's okay, you're okay. Here, come over here with your sister. Oh. Oh. Cody. Everyone thinks this is super interesting. We got one big donkey, two mini donkeys. So these are neighbors. Those are not their donkeys. These donkeys are owned by the neighbor way over there, but there's in the fence somewhere right along here somewhere, the cows and the donkeys and everything can get through. And these people have their yard fenced in, so it doesn't really matter, and they don't really mind. And they're always out here building something. I have no idea what they're building. Yeah, and they have a honeydew melon problem. We had this in our fields too when we first moved here. Just wild honeydew melons growing everywhere. It was awful, but we have gotten rid of that problem. Maple, you want to make friends with the donkeys? Oh, no way. I wouldn't let them near you. I'd be too scared. Curtains. There's Curtain's full sister, Uptown. Tallulah ran away. Oh my goodness. Oh, she found a human. Of course. Morgan, what are you doing? You being good for once? Okay. This is going to be exciting when you open this, isn't it?
It's got a pretty good size load.
Good. I like that.
I'm going to try to back up some more once I get these doors open.
Okay.
I don't want to hit it. It's hard to see in them mirrors.
Yikes! I would not stand under that. Yeah. Oh, he just whipped this right in here. Oh boy. Oh, I bugged out. Get out.
Ready?
Yep. Oh boy. Oh my God. Girls, we don't need your assistance. We're good. You don't need to come over here. Whisper. Take a hike. I know, Drizzle, we don't need. No, I know. I'll get him out of your way, don't worry. That is a nice big load.
Yes, ma'am. I weighed 83,800 pounds truck trailer with this load.
83,000 pounds?
That's what I weighed. That's
What's the truck weigh?
35,000. So let's see.
So like 50,000.
About
25 tons.
49,000 pounds right there just in sawdust.
So like 25 tons.
25 tons, yes ma'am.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Wow. Shoot. All right, let me get your check. Look at. Oh my God. What, you want shavings? This guy's good, man. He whips it in there.